This is such an easy and fun thing to do for a Valentine's card. So I'm just using a plain black crayon, and I'm just going to make 3 hearts, or you could do whatever you want, however many you want. Very simple, just 3 hearts. I think I'll scribble over them again. And if I don't do it exact, that will make it even more interesting. Okay, so now I'm going to just take some pink here. This is permanent rose, it doesn't matter. And just kind of fill in, leave some white spots if you want. This is such a fast and easy thing. And then I've got this violet. I'm just going to go all around. Don't worry if that bleeds out there. It's okay. It will look awesome. The black crayon acts as a resist. Okay, I think I want to splash some water on here. Just splash some clean water. Make some interesting texture. And look at that, that went in there. That's even better. You could sprinkle salt in here. Whatever you want to do. So I'm going to let this dry. Okay, it's dry. It's dried a lot lighter. That's what watercolor does. So I'm going to do some more of this pink. Kind of a second layer, but not go over the whole thing, just part of it. Just go wherever you want to go. It's going to look so pretty. Let that dry. Okay, it's dry. I'm going to do a little bit more, another little layer, even smaller than the one before. We're just kind of wanting to see 3 different values in the heart. So just add a little and then let it dry. Okay, it's dry. So I've got some of this metallic paint. This is, I guess, a pinkish color. And I'm just going to do some little splashing here. I'm just going to load up my brush and just tap it. And this will go all over the place if you're not careful. Even if you are careful, it will. Okay, you could splash with this pink color, you could splash with white, you could splash with red. Now when this dries, you're going to see little sparkles. Let's let it dry. Okay, it's dry. I don't know how well you can see it here under this bright light, but there's little sparkles with the pink. You could even make this all the metallic watercolor. I just kind of like the sparkle. I love the loose look of the lines. You could use a black pen. You could use any color crayon. You could use oil pastels, pencils even, a dark black pencil. Use whatever you have. So I've got this card here. You can buy these on Amazon. And I've got these adhesive squares that I'm going to adhere this to the card. Just put these little stickers on. Remove the backing. I even got splatters on the back side. Make sure you're doing it the right way. Center it as best you can. I'm not the best at that. press down. And you have a Valentine's card. Look at that. It's so bright. It's so happy. And it's so easy to do. Let me turn off this light so that you can see it without all the glare. Look at that. It's so pretty. So easy. You could do all kinds of designs. You could just do one heart. You could write "I love you" and do all the background and the splashing. You could just do so many different things. I hope this was fun. Okay, I went ahead and added some of that metallic paint to the hearts. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can tell. It's sparkly. It's shiny. It's so happy. Look at this. So much fun and easy. I love those two words, fun and easy.